Get rid of him.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I had a witness tonight. That may be somebody else's testimony. Help me sing it, help me sing it. He saw the best in me. Everyone else around me. Everyone else around. Oh, he sees in me. Can I ask y'all one question? The question is simply this: what did he see? He saw the best. I can't get no help up in here because there are some folk in here that people have wrote you off, said you would never amount to anything, said that you would never end up being anywhere. But Myron, tell him one more time, what did he see? He saw the best.
You know, a long time ago we used to be colored. We weren't always African Americans, you know. We used to be colored. So when we was colored, we didn't go on cruises and all that kind of stuff. You know, we went to New York. And the thing about it, we go to New York and stay about 6 months, come back to Charleston, and when you got back here, we couldn't understand you. So we used to say, "Child, she yanking." But the thing about it, when they got back in Charleston and stayed about a short time, whenever they got angry or upset, then they'd go right back to what I call Charlestonese or Gullah. So this is the story about a woman that went to New York and stayed about 6 months and came back to bury her mother. So here she is on the porch, crying her heart out in her New York brogue. "Oh, mother is so upset. I'm so upset. Mother is gone. Mother is gone." The undertaker said, "Miss, I need to speak to you." "I can't talk to you now. My mother is gone. I cannot talk to you." He said, "Miss, I must speak to you." She said, "I told you, I am upset." He says, "What I'm trying to tell you is you are not the beneficiary." She says, "Say what?" He said, "Not only that, we can't have the funeral on Friday. It has to be on Saturday." She said, "I ain't care where he is because I going on back for New York." That's what happened when you get angry and you've stayed in New York a short time.
Trifling down. At least you're gonna have to feed these children better than this year. The heat must sit on got y'all monkey in it. Oh, that way though. Okay, I understand. Look at don't follow that so y'all can test gonna carry on Georgetown. The Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival going to be punching Town Island. St. Helena Island in Beaufort County. So come down the creek. You can come bring your boat right down and just tie them up. We got you. We got you covered. Take the road and come on the way. But we're so glad if there you one more time with Moja. How many children out there know what Moja even mean? On the count of 3, tell me what Moja mean in English. 1, 2, 3. I hear about 2 people had the right answer. Everybody else mouth either closed or just said Moja. I tell y'all to tell me in English. Wait up. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh Lord have mercy, that be worse. It sounds like one person said them this time. And that way is 1 or 1, 3. Moja means word. Moja means word. Moja means word. So that's what it's all about. The Gullah Geechee Nation and Moja is the fact that we are one. We are so thankful that our ancestors who were Igbo, Mandinka, Malinke, Yoruba, Gola, Gizi, Mende, Temne, Fiki, Bibio, all of them children gather together. But be right here in Charleston, South Kakalaki, as we call them today. You're in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And all of we to know, because of that, we the one. So when 100 children get together every year, don't just come out because you get your word and you ain't supposed to know what the word mean. Make sure you understand that's why we together, you together in this your circle, because we want 100 children to understand. We the what? One. That's what Moja is all about. So I thank thank all of you. Thank Sister Elise for her hard work once again every year. The entire committee and staff for this event, because it's all about us. It's all about unity. It's all about being one. So, honey children, come for join me over yonder where you see the Gullah Geechee Nation flag, the blue, because me going to be out here all day. But you have to crack your teeth a little bit louder than you've been doing a while ago. Charleston, I love you. God bless you. Keep on holding it down. I'll be at the schools all week, and I'll be back at the finale, because it's all about unity and oneness. This is Moja, and it means what? What? One. 100 children know even in Gullah, it don't want any. All right. Peace and blessings. Much love to you all.
Queen Quinn, some of y'all still ain't cracky teeth to say nothing. In mouth and claws up tight. Face ball up.
And Rebel, yeah.
None.
Look ya. That all right though. We gonna get on the end. Raggy y'all.
That's right.
We gonna rag y'all. We gonna say great God of heritage did. The children been so trifling. And cracky teeth, tall. All the vendors and they been out there to selling food. They didn't want to buy nothing. So the weakness get them and couldn't first talk. And look ya. And I will be putting this on Facebook and YouTube. Ha ha. So y'all want to redeem yourselves? Moja means. Oh, y'all ain't did no louder.
Thank you, Queen Quet, the Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival. Make sure you got your cell phones right now. Put it on your calendar for Saturday, October 30th, noon until, all right, St. Helena Island. And also the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association is here as well. Please make sure you stop by the tent right over there with the Gullah Geechee flag, Gullah Geechee Nation flag that's waving right there in the back of it.
You doing all right? Stop out here like